Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Summary Spot, where we break down the world's best books to help you achieve personal and professional growth. Today, we're diving into Outliers, the story of success by Malcolm Gladwell. Have you ever wondered why some people achieve extraordinary success while others don't? Gladwell explores the hidden factors behind success, and trust me, it's not what you think. Stay till the end for actionable takeaways you can use in your life. What is an outlier? Gladwell defines an outlier as someone who stands apart from the rest due to exceptional achievements. But he argues that individual talent alone isn't enough. Instead, success is a mix of personal effort, timing, cultural heritage, and unique opportunities. Let's break it down. The 10,000-hour rule. One of the most famous ideas from the book is the 10,000-hour rule. Gladwell claims that mastery in any field requires 10,000 hours of dedicated practice. Think of the Beatles performing in Hamburg or Bill Gates programming during high school. Both logged thousands of hours before becoming world-class. But it's not just about hard work. Timing and access to resources play a massive role. For example, Gates had access to a computer in the 1960s when few others did. So, success is often about being in the right place at the right time, with the right dedication. The role of culture and background. Gladwell also highlights the role of cultural and family background in shaping success. Cultural legacy. In one example, he examines why Korean airline pilots faced high crash rates in the past. It boiled down to cultural communication styles that prioritized hierarchy over clarity. By addressing these cultural norms, the issue was resolved. Family influence. Children raised in wealthier families often learned practical intelligence, how to navigate systems, ask questions, and advocate for themselves. This often gives them a head start in life. Timing matters. Success is often about being born at the right time. Gladwell uses the example of hockey players in Canada, where kids born in January are more likely to succeed due to age cutoff dates. This small advantage snowballs over time as they receive more opportunities and training. Similarly, he explains how being born during specific economic or technological shifts can create golden opportunities, as it did for tech giants like Steve Jobs and Bill Gates. Key takeaways. Here are the top lessons from Outliers you can apply in your life. Practice deliberately. Put in the hours, but focus on improving your skills intentionally. Quantity matters, but so does quality. Seek opportunities. Success often depends on taking advantage of unique chances, so always stay alert for them. Leverage your background. Understand how your culture, upbringing, and environment shape you, and use that knowledge to your advantage. Help others. Success isn't achieved in isolation. Collaborate and share opportunities with others. Gladwell's Outliers challenges the idea that success is purely individual. Instead, it's a combination of effort, opportunity, and environment. So, the next time you think someone's success is purely talent, look deeper. If you enjoyed the summary, hit the like button, subscribe to the Summary Spot, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's one thing you'll take away from Outliers? Let us know. See you in the next video.